So hello everyone, and I welcome you all once again to the session of connection details of steel structure. Okay, so in today's session we are going to discuss about a beam to column welded connection. Okay, how to prepare connection details for beam to column welded connection. Okay, in the previous session we have discussed about the connection details for beam to column bolted connection. Okay, and in this session we have the beam is ISMB 500, the beam is ISMB 500 and the column is ISHB 250. Okay, and here we have the statement of the given problem. Okay, so I'll read out the statement here. So it is given a beam ISMB 500 at 0.869 kilonewton per meter. So it's a unit weight of that beam, 0.869 kilonewton per meter, is connected to the flange of a column. It is connected to the flange of a column ISHB 250 at 510 kilonewton per meter by a stiffened seated welded connection. So it is a stiffened seated welded connection, and the dimensions of seat plate it is given here. So they are given the bearing width of plate. The seat plate is 150 mm long and 18 mm thick. Then we have stiffening plate, that is of size 12 mm thick, 80 mm wide and 250 mm long. Okay, then we have that is a 10 mm size continuous fillet weld to connect both edges of the stiffening plate to the bottom edge of the seat and to the column flange. Okay, so we have to use the 10 mm size fillet weld. Then we have next is the top clit angle. They have given ISA 100 by 100 by 8. Okay, that is 150 mm long and connected by 6 mm size fillet weld for full length of both the legs. Okay, so this is the given statement of the problem. Again here you have to draw the sectional elevation, side view from right and plan. Okay, so we'll continue with that. So once again we'll have a view of the beam to column welded connection. So we have the top clit angle ISA 100 by 100 by 10, and the bottom part which is very important here. So here we can see this is the bearing plate of width 150 mm, and below that we have stiffening plate. Okay, and the size of the stiffening plate it is given here. Size of the stiffening plate they have given 12 mm thick, 80 mm wide and 250 mm long. Okay, so you have to prepare this. So this is 180 the stiffening plate, 250 mm long. Okay, and other things are same. So we'll begin with the AutoCAD drawing. So here we'll come back here, and I have already prepared the only the line out for beam and column. Okay, so you have to prepare same thing. You can use the layers and the colors for the different activities. For beam I have used red color, and for beam I have used green, and for column I have used red color. For other angle section bolts you can use the different color. Now before starting I would like to tell you that you have to fix the units in millimeters, and limits you have to give the limits. You can give 50,000 comma 50,000 for that. Okay, or even you can go 20,000 by 25,000 because drawings are very small here. Okay, so you can go even 25,000 by 25,000. Okay, then after that, after preparing the beam column line out, so we'll go for the connection part. So in the connection part we'll draw the clit angle first. So it is given here ISA 100 by 100 by 10. Okay, so we'll draw that. So for that you can use offset, again offset 100. Okay, so this way 100, and this way it is 100. Okay, then the thickness of angle is 10. 100 by 100 by 10. Sorry, this side it is wrong. So offset 10 mm. So later we can trim this. Now you can delete this. Yes. So we'll change the color here, we'll make it yellow color. You can give here yellow color, and if you want, you can change the line weight, you can change the line weight also. Okay, then it will be here also, so we can give the color and even the line weight. Yes, now again fillet. Yes, you can see there is a smooth curve here because of the fillet. Yes, so this is regarding the seat angle. So you can write immediately here if you want. Okay, you can keep it here and write ED RSA 100 by 100 by 10. Okay, this is over now. Okay, now after that you have to show the plate, the stiffening plate and the this thing. So this plate is we have to show the plate here. It is given in the statement. If you read, we have the bearing plate of 150 mm long and 18 mm thick. Okay, so we can see the thickness here in the cross section elevation. We can see only thickness. So offset of 10 mm, 18 mm thick here it is. So we can give offset of 18 mm. Sorry, here it is wrong. So we have to give from bottom, offset 18. So from here it is 150. So you can make this in white color if you want. We'll make it in white color. So here, okay. So this is regarding the seat plate. Then we have the stiffening plate here, 180 mm long and 250 mm width. So in elevation 250, sorry 80 mm in width. Okay. So from here offset 80. Yes. And long it is 250, so offset 250 can give. So from here it is 250. Yes, so we trim it. Yes, okay, I'll give this for I can use this color. So this is for stiffening plate. Okay, so apart from that, we have to show the welding here. So what you can see in the black color, this part is welding. So same way you can give the you can draw and you can increase the line weight here. You can draw a line from here to here and show the welding. For that you can increase the line weight like this. So this is nothing but welding. Okay, so this is regarding the cross section. Okay, you can write the detailing part. So that is, you can copy same here. Write stiffening plate. Then we have here seat plate. Stiffening plate and seat plate, and this we have. Okay, so we can show the dimensions also later. Now we'll have to draw the side view. Okay, side view. In side view, what you have to do? First of all, this angle. So what you can do, you can extend these lines by using the construction line. So you have to click it here and you have to say horizontal edge, enter. So this and this and this. Okay, so for this the length is 150 mm. You have to show the length is 150 mm. Okay, and so 150 here. So from center here it is 150. So offset 75 on both the side. Okay, now we'll trim this. and edit. Okay, I delete this also, and I'll match property of this. Sorry. Then over that you have to show the welding also. So we'll draw one more line here. For that I'll give copy same here. Yes, welding. So this is for welding. So I have to show same here. So I'll copy this. Yes, over. Now down you have to show the plates. Okay, like this. You have to show the plates here for this. Okay, so for there it is 250 long and 80 mm wide and 12 mm thick. So in the side view we can see the width. Okay, what I can show here. So here you can show it is 180 mm, 80 mm width and 250 mm long. Even it is 250 mm long. Yes. But here we can show only the length and the thickness. Okay, so for that again I'll use construction line for the extension of lines. Horizontal construction line, horizontal, yes, like this. And this also you have to show it. Yes, so this I'll trim here. Okay, so I can delete this now. Yes, clear. Now this also I'll trim it. Now the welding, the two plates, the plate thickness is, if you see here in the statement it is given, the stiffening plate 12 mm thick. Okay, now if you go here, so offset this side 12 and this side 12. So we have two plates, and we have the welding over that. Okay, we have the welding, so I'll show the color here. So I have used magenta. Okay, you can see here, so I can copy this stiffening plate, same. Yes. And even you can show the dimensions also. Yes. Okay, so it is 250 by 250. Sorry, 250 by 80. And the welding part, it is the welding provided between. So I can show in other color. So we can show it here like this, where we have, and here we have. You can select those and show it like this. Okay, so the welding, and this is regarding the, this is for the bearing plate. Okay, or seat plate. Show it here like this. Okay, and we have the angle ISA. You can show same here. So this is regarding the side elevation. And even the welding part also you can show. So here it is given 10 mm thick flat weld. You can show here if you want. So I can copy this here. You can use yield leader command. can adjust here. Show it like this. So this is 10 thick flat felt. Okay, and for this I think we have 6 mm size flat felt. Here it is mentioned 6 mm size flat felt. Okay, so you can use here. Okay, so you can copy same here and show it here. Okay, this is 6 mm thick. Okay, over. So same here you have to prepare the plan. Okay, I have not shown how to prepare plan. It is easy compared to sectional elevation and side view. Okay, I have explained about the sectional elevation and even side view. Okay, so you can use this and you can prepare plan. Okay, it is very easy to prepare plan. And regarding this, again, if you have any queries, you can uh, raise your queries in comment box, or you can contact me. Okay, thank you.